we're in the admin experience. Only admins can upload Pricebooks. So from the admin page, you'll go to your main page here and then go to Pricebooks, and we'll hit create Pricebook, and we'll fill this out. We'll say Reshape Automation is the vendor, and we'll call this July pricing update, North America, US dollar, submit. And then here, you can go one by one, but for this video, we're going to show you how to do this through a CSV. So you would hit import data, you click CSV, upload files, there's the CSV, we'll select sheet 1, and we'll hit next, and here's where you can map your prices. So, for name, we'll go with SKU, or I'm sorry, name, we'll go with description, price, we'll go with COGS, SKU, we can go with SKU, no lead time, and the offering ID, let's use the SKU for that as well. Then you would just hit next, and you can review it here, and then you click finish.